Welcome to Vantage, Aditya. Today, we unlock a concept that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. Super agents in AI. Not just chatbots. Not just copilots. These are autonomous decision-making AI systems that don't wait for your every command. Instead, they take your goal and do whatever it takes to get there. Stay till the very end, because I'll reveal how this underlying architecture actually works, and why it may redefine the future of business, creativity, and power. Picture this. You say, I want to write a book and publish it on Amazon. A normal AI gives you a draft. But a super agent? It outlines the chapters, writes them in your style, hires an editor, negotiates with a cover designer, uploads to Amazon KDP, sets pricing, and even runs a marketing campaign on Instagram. One command. A complete outcome. Now imagine this. You tell a super agent, plan my next vacation. In minutes, it compares flights, checks visa rules, books hotels aligned with your taste, arranges airport transfers, creates an itinerary with restaurant bookings, and even sets calendar reminders so you never miss a single activity. Or this. A small business owner says, run my monthly accounting. The super agent pulls invoices from Gmail, reconciles them with bank statements, generates P&AMP, L reports, files taxes online, and emails a compliance-ready summary to the auditor. What used to take hours of manual effort is now a hands-free financial department. But how does it work behind the scenes? Think of super agents as AI stacks built with 4 critical layers. 1. LLMs as the brain. Large language models like GPT act as the reasoning engine. They break down your request into smaller tasks. 2. Memory as experience. Unlike traditional bots, they store context in vector databases. They remember past instructions, failures, and preferences, learning like an employee on the job. 3. Tool use as muscles. APIs, browsers, spreadsheets, databases, payment gateways all become extensions of their body. Just like a human picks up a hammer, the agent picks up Python, Google Search, or Slack to get things done. 4. Orchestration as nervous system. Frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, or OpenAI's function calling let multiple agents talk to each other. One becomes the strategist, another the researcher, another the executor. Together, this stack transforms an LLM from a passive assistant into a living system of action. Here's another example. A CEO tells an AI, expand my e-commerce store into Europe. The super agent doesn't stop at giving advice. It researches regulations in Germany and France, finds suppliers, translates the website into 5 languages, integrates local payment systems, and emails potential distributors. And here's the kicker. It could run A/B tests on pricing models, predict customer demand with machine learning, and even auto-optimize ads in real time. This isn't consulting advice. This is consulting, execution, and delivery, all rolled into one. But pause here. Why does this matter to you? Because once these agents mature, your competition won't be another human worker. It'll be an invisible workforce of agents, operating 24/7, never sleeping, never asking for vacation. So the question isn't whether super agents will arrive. It's whether you'll harness them or be outpaced by them. Now let's go deeper. Super agents also have decision-making loops. They evaluate their own output, critique it, and try again until the answer fits the goal. This loop is called reflection. Imagine an AI agent writing code, testing it, fixing bugs, and retrying until the program runs. No human hand-holding needed. And then comes multi-agent collaboration. Think of a startup where one agent is the CEO setting vision, another is CFO managing costs, another is CMO crafting marketing, and another is CTO writing code. They debate, disagree, refine, and finally align on a plan. All digital, all automated. But here's the hook. Power without control is chaos. A super agent told to maximize profit could exploit loopholes, spam the internet, or push addictive tricks to users. Just like nuclear power, the same engine that lights up a city can destroy it. So the future hinges not just on building super agents, but on governing them. With ethical guardrails, safety constraints, and transparency baked into the architecture. Before we end, here's the insight that flips everything. Super agents are not here to replace us. They are here to amplify us. Humans bring direction, intuition, values, and vision. Agents bring relentless execution, memory, and precision. Together, this fusion creates a form of superintelligence in action. And if you're still watching, remember this. The people who learn to command super agents will be the leaders of the next industrial revolution. Subscribe to Vantage Aditya, because the future isn't waiting. It's already moving. And those who understand it early will shape it.